Hello, I'm Mayor Philgood with your weekly update. I'm very excited to share with you a new program in the City of Prescott that was approved by our City Council in last week's voting meeting. In response to the current workforce housing crisis, Yavapai County Development Services, also known as YCDS, has designed 6 single-family home plans that are available for anyone to use to build their home within Yavapai County's jurisdiction. There are 2 one-bedroom floor plans, 2 two-bedroom floor plans, and 2 three-bedroom floor plans, ranging from about 570 square feet to approximately 1,600 square feet. The plans are available for use at no cost within Yavapai County's A Home of Your Own program. Our Workforce Housing Committee had a short-term goal to create a city program similar to the Yavapai County Home of Your Own program, and Council voted to approve this goal in 2024. After researching the program and considering alternative options, City staff felt Yavapai County Development Services had the best concept, one that was most suited for our area, and worked to bring this same program to Prescott. The City Council voted to adopt this program and the 6 residential building plans in our city. It's important to note that the use of these plans still requires a permit for the unique site that will be built upon, as well as other site-specific information for a full permit to be issued for construction, and that there are conditions that may render a property or a lot ineligible to use this program. The goal of this program is to provide new home plans that are permit-ready, thereby reducing architectural and drafting costs to the homeowner and speeding up the permitting process. It's our hope that this will provide more opportunities for home ownership in our community. The Prescott Regional Airport is announcing Prescott AirFest 2025, taking place on Saturday, October 4th, 2025, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Ernest A Field. This free, family-friendly event invites the community to celebrate aviation and explore one of northern Arizona's most dynamic air transportation hubs. Visitors can expect a day full of engaging activities, including airplanes on display, get up close with a variety of aircraft, food trucks, enjoy local flavors while you explore, military displays, meet service members and see military equipment on site, Prescott Fire Department's Touch the Truck, a hands-on experience for kids and families. According to Airport Director Rick Kreider, the Airfest is a chance for the community to come together, experience the excitement of aviation, and see firsthand the important role the airport plays in Prescott. The Prescott Regional Airport is proud to welcome residents and visitors alike for a day of fun, food, and flight experiences. The Prescott AirFest 2025 takes place at the Prescott Regional Airport Ernest A Field at the Wilkinson Drive entrance on Saturday, October 4th from 11 to 3 p.m. and admission is free to the public. We invite local businesses, organizations, and community members to help make the event a success by becoming a sponsor or a donor. The link is below. The City of Prescott and their contractor Sunland Asphalt Construction are currently working on a pavement preservation and maintenance project along Prescott Lakes Parkway between SR 89 and SR 69, and also along SR 89 between Yavapai Connector and the Willow Lake Road roundabout. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the project's schedule has been revised. The project is still scheduled to be completed on time, however, the order of work has changed. On Prescott Lakes Parkway from SR 89 to SR 69, a 2-step pavement preservation application will continue through September 18th. Raising utility covers to the finished road grade and roadway striping has been rescheduled to September 24th through the 26th. On SR 89 from Yavapai Connector to the Willow Lake Road roundabout, asphalt milling and paving operations will be starting today, September 15th, and continue through October 3rd. During this work, you can expect crews working from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. with night work performed as needed. flagging operations and temporary traffic controls, temporary street closures, lane restrictions, reduced speeds, construction noise, and travel delays. Crews will work to maintain business access as best as possible. Throughout September, the Prescott Public Library invites you to celebrate Library Card Sign-Up Month and discover how a single card can open the door to endless opportunities. This year's theme, One Card, Endless Possibilities, is a reminder that libraries are for everyone, no matter your age, background, or goals. At Prescott Public Library, you'll find books, audiobooks, and DVDs, online streaming movies and TV shows, print and online magazines and newspapers, free computers and Wi-Fi, printing, copying, and faxing, and meeting and study rooms are available. Our library is also a library of things. Check out telescopes, hiking kits, colorblind glasses, pickleball kits, book club kits, a culture pass to a museum, and Wi-Fi hotspots and more. Anyone getting a new card in September gets a chance to spin the wheel to earn a prize that may include a t-shirt, hat, tumbler, or book bag. Existing loyal cardholders that show us their library card can pick a prize from the treasure chest. A replacement card fees are waived in September. The only city meeting this week takes place on Thursday, September 18th, when the Board of Adjustment will meet at 9 a.m. in the council chambers. If you're interested in getting out and about this coming weekend, there will be a couple of great events for you to enjoy. Hope Fest Arizona takes place on Saturday, September 20th on the Yavapai County Courthouse Plaza. Hope Fest welcomes families and friends for a day filled with fun, interactive games and activities, live music, a car and bike show, and the Hope Serves Resource Fair. The annual Prescott Indian Art Market at Sharlot Hall Museum is Saturday and Sunday, September 20th and 21st. This is the 27th annual event, showcasing works of over 80 top Native American artists. In 2 days, on September 17th, we mark the 238th anniversary of the drafting of the United States Constitution. Thus, we have proclaimed September 17th through the 23rd, 2025 as Constitution Week. As written in our official City of Prescott proclamation, it's fitting and proper to accord official recognition to this magnificent document and its memorable anniversary. I encourage you to take a moment this week to get a copy of the Constitution and read it through, remembering the protection of our God-given liberties that our forefathers fought so hard to secure for us. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.